Hello and welcome to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined down the line by Tim Young, day trader at Ayondo. Good morning to you, Tim. You well?
I'm good, thanks, Matt. Yourself?
Yeah, very well. Happy Friday. Well, certainly happy Friday if you're long the FTSE. We've finally reached year highs today, or year to date. Just talk us through. We've got the FTSE Daily chart here. What's gone on?
Well, it was certainly, excuse the pun, but there was quite a lot of fireworks in the FTSE yesterday around about the interest rate decision time. I dare say you were looking at it. So the FTSE rocketed up, then it came all the way back to 7.5, and then I think the market obviously decided that they liked the decision for the FTSE. But the way I look at it from a technical point of view is we've had, as I've been saying to you for weeks, we've had this ridiculously tight range on the FTSE for so long, and I just felt that the longer the consolidation went on, the bigger the move up was going to be. But it seems to, I think last week I'd almost given up on it actually happening because it had just taken so long. But that was probably, I think basically we've finally broken out of this multi-week, multi-day consolidation, and I think this is where I think the FTSE is going to march on from here. I'm reckoning we're going to get to about 7.7 by the year end. I don't think we're going to go crazy over 8,000 or anything, but I think this is the breakout that's been on the cards for a long time. That's the way I look at it.
Yeah, certainly it felt like it's been poised to do something, and it's good to see those moves, certainly on the daily chart. Panning out and looking at the weekly, is it still trading in that consolidatory range, or, I mean, we saw obviously breakouts on the daily. Where are we looking on the weekly?
Yeah, I mean, on the weekly, it doesn't look. It looks like it's still consolidating a bit on the weekly because obviously it's bigger time period, bigger time periods. But I still think it's just a bigger picture of what's happened on the daily. So we've got that breakout on the daily, and I think it's just a matter of time till it follows through on the weekly. I would personally rather not see the FTSE do this because I don't want to see. What I don't want to see is it go up in a bubble and then crash down again. I don't want it. I'd rather it didn't do that. But just seems to be the nature of the market this year that there haven't really been that many pullbacks. It's tended to keep on going up, and you've just got to find an opportunity to get on board. But it's not easy to get on board this at the moment when it keeps going up in the way it is.
Understood. And are you looking at any key levels at the moment?
Well, personally, I'm actually out of the market at this precise moment. I'm waiting for a pullback. So if we get a pullback to, say, the 7,550-ish level, that'll probably be a point I'd be looking at trying to get back in at. But the market doesn't, when it decides to make these upward moves, it's not easy because my system is based on waiting for pullbacks. But when you get moves like this, it doesn't always make it easy to get on board. I would almost rather that when I'm out of the market, it drops and then I can get back in at a lower level. But the market doesn't seem to be allowing me to do that at the moment.
And understood. And this week, good or bad week overall?
Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Yeah, I think closed 4 winning trades yesterday, so that was good. Yeah, it's been a good week. It's been a good couple of weeks actually. The FTSE has been trading in a way that's enabled me to make quite a few winning trades. So yeah, it has been a good week.
Well, hopefully that continues for the weeks and months to come. But in the meantime, Tim, thank you very much for joining us down the line.
Thanks, Matt.